Assalamu alaikum, dear students. First of all, congratulations to all of you on your well deserved success. Let me introduce myself first. I'm Tabassum ma'am, your new class teacher. I'm so excited to be your teacher this year. I'm passionate about shaping your bright young minds. So expect to learn a ton of great things. Now let's get started on a teller year. Our first topic in science is types of plants. First of all, I will make you understand the meaning of a plant. A plant is a living thing that grows in the ground and usually has leaves, a long thin green central part that is known as stem, and roots. That means a plant is a living thing that grows in the ground, and it's consisting of leaves, stem, and roots. So these parts of plant have different functions will be discussed later on. Now we are going to discuss about the types of plants. Dear students, there are five main types of plants. That is trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. First, we will discuss about trees. What are trees? Big, tall, and strong plants are called trees. And the trees are having a hard and woody stem that is known as trunk. These are big, tall, and strong plants and are having a good hard and woody stem and are having a hard and woody stem. Some plants bear branches that spread out. For example, mango tree. It has so many branches. It is having so many branches spreading out. And in some trees, they grow very tall. For example, coconut tree. It grows very tall. That means the trees are tall as well as big as well as strong. Right? Now the second type is shrubs. What are shrubs? Small plants but having strong and woody stems. They are having strong and woody stems, but they are small. That's why we call them shrubs. And shrubs bear branches that grow very close to the ground. So they are called bushy plants because shrubs look bushy. Why shrubs look bushy? Because the branches grow close to the ground. Right? Now the third type is herbs. What are herbs? Dear students, you have understood two types, trees and shrubs. Now the third type is herb. Herbs are small plants having thin, green and non-woody stems. They are not having woody stems. We can't make wood from their stems. That is why they are called non-woody, and these herbs bear non-woody stems because the stems are green and thin. We can't get wood from their stems. For example, grass, mint, coriander, mustard plants, etc. You might have seen them. For example, you might have seen grass that doesn't bear the woody stem, right? Now the fourth one is climbers. Fourth one is climbers. These are the plants having weak stems and cannot stand erect on their own. The plants having weak stems, they are having weak stems and they cannot stand erect on their own, but they need support to stand erect. For example, they need walls, sticks, or other plants to stand erect. For example, pea plant, bean plant, green beans, right? Very good. Now the fifth point is creepers. Fifth type of plant is creepers. Plants having weak stems. They are also having weak stems and cannot stand erect. They cannot stand erect, but they grow along the ground. They do not need support to stand erect because they bear heavy fruits or heavy vegetables. So they grow along the ground. Examples are watermelon plant, you might have seen, pumpkin plant, right? So they grow along the ground. Now here are some extra points, things to remember. These are the important points. The first point is redwood trees are the tallest trees in the world. Please remember, redwood trees are the tallest trees in the world. Their height is more than 300 feet. Their height is more than 300 feet. And these redwood trees are found in United States of America. Okay, very good. Another point is a banana plant is a herb, though it grows as long as a tree. Banana plant grows as long as a tree, but we call it a herb. Why we call it a herb even if it grows as long as a tree? Because it has a non-woody stem. It has a non-woody stem, right? Hope you might have understood it clearly. Now I am going to make you understand this once again through animation.
Types of plants. Plants have different shapes and sizes. Some plants are tall and some are short. Trees. Tall, big and strong plants are called trees. They have a hard, thick, woody stem called trunk. They have many branches. Trees live for many years. Shrubs. Small, bushy plants. Small and bushy plants are called shrubs. They have thin, brown, woody stem. They live for a few years. Herbs. Plants with soft, green stem. Herbs are plants that have a soft, green stem. They live for a few months, normally one season. Creepers and climbers. Some plants have very thin and weak stems. They cannot stand upright. They are called climbers. They attach themselves to walls, sticks, or other plants. Weak-stemmed plants that spread out and grow along the ground are called creepers.